In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook Marketplace listing using the best method available. Whether you've sold your item or simply decided not to sell, knowing how to clean up your marketplace listings is quite handy. The first thing you will need to do is go to the Facebook homepage. You can do this by typing in facebook.com in your web browser or opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Being logged in is essential because Marketplace, like many Facebook features, is integrated within your account. Next, let's head over to Facebook Marketplace. This can usually be found on the left-hand side of your browser's homepage. Look for the small house icon that says Marketplace. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu button, which could be represented by 3 horizontal lines, and then select Marketplace from the list. This section is where all buying, selling, and browsing takes place, an entire world of commerce right at your fingertips. Once you're in the marketplace, you should look for your listings. Find the Selling tab. This is your control center for all the items you have put up for sale. Here, you'll see a list of everything you have up for sale or have sold. This is also where you can track any of your ongoing transactions. Now, here's a key step. Locate the specific listing you want to delete. There are usually 3 dots arranged in a vertical line next to each listing. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This action will open a menu of options related to that particular listing. It's essentially a hidden menu containing all the behind-the-scenes actions you can take with your post. In this menu, look for the option that states Delete Listing. The wording should be straightforward and easy to identify. Select it. You might feel a bit apprehensive. The fear of accidental deletion is real. But don't worry, Facebook will confirm your action so you won't delete anything unintentionally. Finally, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the listing. If you're positive about your decision, click on Delete. It's as simple as that. Once you confirm this action, your item will be removed from the marketplace, and fellow Facebook users will no longer be able to see it. And there you have it, the quick and easy way to delete a Facebook Marketplace listing. Hopefully this guide has made the process straightforward for you and you can now manage your marketplace listings with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.